Hello friends, in this tutorial, I will show you how to make a simple flat balloon garland. I will give you the optimal dimensions and the optimal way to make a garland so that it is not crooked. To make this garland, I made a calibrator out of a piece of foam board. I will need the sizes of balloons. I will calibrate the balloons to 23 centimeters and 12 centimeters in diameter. That is, the ratio of 1 to 2 is the optimal ratio for this garland, and so let's get started.
First, I make a cluster of 4 beige colored balloons. The size of the balloons is 5 inches.
Please note that I first calibrate each balloon by 12 centimeters. Then I connect the balloons in pairs. After that I fix the pairs and I get a cluster of 4 balloons. I'm making the next cluster out of 5-inch beige balloons and the 12-inch blue balloons. 5-inch balloons, I calibrate at 12 centimeters. 12-inch blue balloons, I calibrate at 23 centimeters. I connect balloons in pairs and then I fix to pairs and get a cluster of 4 balloons of different sizes. So, to make a garland, you will need 2 types of clusters. You will determine the number of clusters yourself, depending on the required length of the garland. I have prepared several clusters in advance so as not to take up your time. Please look, I'm putting one large cluster on top of another, and you can see that there's a gap between the clusters. It is in this place that we will fix a small cluster. To fix the clusters, you can use a balloon for modeling, size 260, or a balloon ribbon. In this video, I will show you how to fix with a tibbin. Watch how I fix the ribbon on the first cluster. Now I put the second cluster on top. You can see in which position the clusters are, stacked on top of each other. Next, I alternate the clusters. Please take a look in which position each of them stands. Look, Each cluster I'm pressing it slightly against the previous one so that they lie tightly on top of each other. Now I'm fixing the top cluster along with the previous one, so I'll do it every time. This is a very reliable way to fix clusters. Your garland will not untie, will not unwind, will change its shape. You will be calm. For proper assembly, pay attention to the position of the balloons. According to this scheme, I continue to fix the garland clusters one by one until I reach the length of the garland I need. I always put a cluster of 5-inch balloons last, so that it presses a cluster of different sizes. Look at how I attach the ribbon to the last cluster. The garland is ready. It is very durable, lightweight, and reliable. I am happy to share my experience with you. Thank you for watching.